Alright, so okay, we have here a problem about geometry. Find the exact value of x. So this is concentric circle. Yung concentric circle kasi is yung circle is nakapaloob sa loob pa din ng circle. So kaya lang at this point, tatlo yung circle na nangyari. So dalawa yung circle na nakapaloob sa mga circle. So medyo mahirap to. Medyo hanapin natin tong x, ano? Itong x. So, ito yung center. Ito naman yung tangent line. Actually, lahat ng mga lines is tangent line. Ito tangent line siya dito. Kaya lang, from small circle papunta sa big circle or sa outer circle. Ito naman is tangent line siya sa small circle papunta sa middle circle. At ito naman is tangent line siya mula sa middle circle papuntang outer circle. So, the definition is given tayo ng 20 and then 21 dito. Tapos ito yung hahanapin. So, okay. So, ibig sabihin, let us illustrate this one into okay. Ito lang muna yung gagawin natin, ano? I think, kunin muna natin ito. Tapos ito. Kunin muna natin yan. So, let us label this one as R small. Tapos, ito din is sabihin natin R na malaki or R big or outside. Kayong bahala. So, dito, gawin natin RB. Hindi. Sorry. Okay. That is x. This is the value of x. So, ito nga pala yung x. So, ito yung RB. Okay. So, ngayon, gawin natin meron tayong triangle. By Pythagorean theorem, masasabi natin RB squared is equal to x squared plus RS squared. Okay. Yan. Alas okay na. So, dito naman tayo. Yung RB is okay. So, ito muna. Ito naman yung kunin natin na triangle. So, meron tayong ito. Ang mangyayari dito, that would be your RB. No? Tapos ito magiging RM. Kasi radius siya ng middle circle. Okay, so yung mangyayari naman is, by Pythagorean theorem, RB squared is equal to 21 squared plus RM squared. Okay, so ibig sabihin, meron tayong common. Ito. So, ibig sabihin, kaya natin itong ma-equate into RB. RB is equal to RB squared is equal to RB squared. So, ibig sabihin that x squared plus RS squared is equal to 21 squared plus RM squared. Yun. Okay, kaya lang meron pa tayong tatlong unknown. Ito. So, ito naman yung hanapin. So, meron pa tayong natitira. Okay, so, dito naman tayo dumakot sa dito. Okay. This would be your RS. RS to, diba? Kasi small circle. Tapos, ito naman, that is your circle, or radius your circle into the middle circle. Okay, so that is RM squared is equal to 20 squared plus RS squared. Yun. So, may nakita tayo dito na ito, RM pwede nating ipasok dito. Pag ipasok natin itong RM dito, so, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon siya ng variable dito na RS. Magiging common na siya. Itong dalawa. Okay, so ipasok natin ito. Equate natin itong RM tapos dito. So, yung mangyayari sa kanya ngayon is x squared plus rs squared is equal to 21 squared plus ito na yung value ng RM. Yung value ng RM is ito na. 20 squared plus rs squared. Yun. Tapos itong rs, pag inilipat kasi natin to doon, magka-cancel out, magiging negative kasi ito magiging negative. So, plus yung positive yung rs squared dito. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin itong i-cancel out. So, this would be cancel out. And then, yung matitira na lang is x squared is equal to 21 squared plus 20 squared. And then, yung value nito is 841 using your calculator. And x is equal to the square root of 841. X is equal to 29. Okay, so this would be your answer in solving the value of x. Okay, so I hope na nasundan nyo yung ating problem.